Hey, what's up everybody? Flash here with Flashy Dark Arts, and I just got done doing a Glock Armors class yesterday, so I'm feeling pretty confident. I'm going to take down my Glock 22 Gen 4, okay? First and most important thing, make sure the gun's unloaded, okay? Make sure everything's out. Well, now that the gun is unloaded, let's go ahead and begin. Alright, now the worst part's over. Let's try that again. We're going to start by getting the light off of here. Alright, I just got to use my official Glock Armors tool to... Oh, shit! Well, that's gone forever. I took my Glock apart because I did an armor class yesterday, and there's so many pieces, and I don't know which way the springs go, and I can't get them back together. It's a Gen 4, and we were working on Gen 5s, mine's a Gen 4. I got the manual. We're good. What the hell's a spring cup? Nikon? No, just listen. Listen. I was taking apart the firing pin, and I think I lost the spring cup, but I have a spring cup. Spring cup! It goes on the firing pin! I have one, but it only, I don't know, it's supposed to, maybe it broke? Oh, there's two. Okay. I found the other half of the spring cup. I found it. We're good. We're good. Nikon, I know. It's the last time calling you, I swear. I swear. I put oil in the firing pin, and then it said not to put oil in the firing pin. Yeah, but what am I supposed to do now? It's not like I can unoil it. Okay, I'll try. Rick, I can't come into work today because my gun is in pieces. Alright you guys, this is Flash with Flashy Dark Arts. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Also comment below, let me know how unsafe I was with the gun. Speaking of which, how do negligent discharges happen? I have never had one, and I probably never will. Man, I don't know. Anyways, this is Flash with Flashy Dark Arts, reminding you that if you don't know how to take a gun apart, you probably shouldn't be taking it apart.